Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable fast search on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, enabling fast search allows you to quickly find apps, contacts, files, and other content on your device without manually navigating through menus and folders. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, initiate a simple gesture by swiping your finger downwards from the top to the bottom of the screen. Once the screen is pulled down, you will notice a search box appearing. To enhance your search experience further, tap on the settings icon next to the search bar, and within the settings, you will find a range of options to customize your search preferences. Okay, and here you can activate various features to streamline your search process. Enable the options for apps, contacts, audio files, settings, and theme to ensure that your search encompasses these categories comprehensively. And also, by activating these options, you will empower the fast search functionality to efficiently scroll through your device content, offering you quick access to the information you need. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable fast search on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.